Valuation and negotiation of technology. Step 6. Preparate technology negotiation. Produced by Ricardo Martinez, Marta Pinzón, Sergio Nova. Present to Jennifer Tovar, 21, 20, 30, December 2021. How to project the intellectual property of the software. Carlos Martinez. Transmit. Transmit material that to the company could be considered worthy of malicious. Distribute. Redistribute of transfer. Distribute. Redistribute or transfer software content with all necessary company approvals and license. Store or transmit. Store or transmit files, graphic software, other material that actuality implicit on potentially infringes the country. Trademark, patent, trade secret, trade name, or other intellectual property right of the company. Evaluate method used to establish the prints and the reason for the selection. Market method. A. For the purpose of estimating the value of the intangible asset based on technology by the market method, the expert used the approach of calculating royalties. A. B. After conducting an analysis of the license agreement in the other company similar to company the Software Colombia, the advisor concluded that the royalty rate for the use on license is in a range that oscillates between 50 and 20 of project revenue. General condition of licensing and trade. The company grants the user, in accordance with the terms and conditions of the agreement, an exclusive and non-transferable license to use the platform on the signed computer at the time. The user will be solely responsible for providing, maintaining, and ensuring company with the platform, hardware, software, electrical, and other physical requirements for the user use of the platform, including but not limited to communication and internet. Conclusion. As a conclusion, it was possible to acquire new knowledge such as the importation of the agreements and the evaluation of the technology science. This guarantees that the parties achieve the greatest possible benefit and in this way the business model improved. Reference? See? Thank you very much.